In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where Microsoft Edge won't open PDF files. This can be quite frustrating, but don't worry. With just a few straightforward steps, you'll have it sorted out in no time. First, ensuring that Microsoft Edge is set as your default PDF viewer can resolve the issue instantly. To do this, begin by pressing the Windows key and the I key together to open up the Windows settings menu. Once you're there, navigate to the Apps section and within that head over to Default Apps. You'll probably need to scroll down a bit to find the option that says Choose Default Apps by File Type. When you locate it, click on it for the next step. Here's where it becomes crucial. You'll see an extensive list of file types. You need to find .pdf within this list. Make sure that it's set to Microsoft Edge as the default app for opening PDFs. If it's not, change it accordingly. This simple adjustment might just solve your problem right there. However, if issues persist, you might need to clear the cache or reset Edge settings. Open Microsoft Edge on your computer and look towards the top right corner of the browser window. You'll notice three dots that represent Settings and More. Click on these dots and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you are in the settings, look at the left side panel and select Reset Settings. Click on Restore Settings to their default values to reset any configurations that might be causing issues. This action does not affect your personal data, but resolves any glitches. Next, focus on clearing the browsing data, which can also prove beneficial. Still within Edge's settings, go to Privacy, Search and Services. Find the section titled Clear Browsing Data and click on Choose What to Clear. Make sure to select cached images and files as well as cookies and other site data. With these options checked, go ahead and click Clear Now. This step is important as cached data sometimes interferes with functionalities. If none of these solutions work, consider checking whether the PDF file itself may be corrupted. Try opening another PDF from a different source. If Edge opens it without a hitch, the first file might be the problem. Unfortunately, file corruption can occur for various reasons, and in such cases, obtaining a fresh copy is often the best course of action. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue with Microsoft Edge and enjoy seamless PDF viewing once more. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and fixes.